Good morning children. Today we are going to discuss about internal organs. The organs inside our body are called internal organs. We cannot see them as they are covered by the skin. Okay children? We are not able to see the internal organ because they are present inside our body, or you can say because they are covered by our skin. See the picture also. Brain, heart, lungs and stomach. These are the internal organs. Okay children, and we are going to discuss about them in this chapter. Children, there are so many other internal organs are also present in our body, but we are not going to discuss them because only these four are given in your syllabus. So one by one we will discuss about them. See, brain. First one is your brain. Brain is present in our head. Okay, brain is present in which part of the body? Head. Okay, and it is very important organ of our body. It helps us to think, learn and remember the things. We call it thinking organ. Okay, we also call it thinking organ. Brain is the thinking organ of our body. Okay children, brain gives order to other parts of the body that what they have to do. Clear? See here, hey, I am your brain. I work like a computer. I help you understand, remember and learn the things. Without me, the rest of your body cannot work. Okay children, so it is very important because if brain is not suppose your brain is not functioning properly, then you are not able to do any work. If it is not function properly, then you are not able to do any work. Okay, I send message to all the parts of the body and tell what to do. Okay, so only brain send message to our other parts of our body and tell that what they have to do. See the next one. Our five sense organ tell the brain what is happening around us. Okay. Like eyes tell what they see. Okay. Eyes tells the brain that what they see. I am giving you one example. Suppose when you are crossing the road and you see that some vehicle is coming from the front. Okay children. So at that time your eyes see that vehicle is coming from the front. So at that time your eyes send message to the brain and your brain quickly respond and tell you that you do not have to cross the road when the vehicle is coming. And if you will cross the road, what will happen with you? Yes children, what will happen? You will hit yourself. Okay, so like this way our eye and brain work together. Okay, see the second one children. Ears. Ears tell what they hear. Okay, ears tell what they hear. Suppose when sometime you are listening very loud music, at that time your ears send message to the brain and brain quickly respond and tell you that you have to slow down the volume because it is not good for your ear and it is not good for your health also. Okay, to listen the loud music. Now see the third one. Nose tells what is smell. Okay, nose tell what is smell. Right? If smell is very bad, you are making your faces. Why? Because nose send message to the brain and brain respond immediately. And if the smell is bad, you are making your face very badly. But if the smell is very pleasant, then at that time you feel very happy. Tongue tell what it tastes. Skin tell what it feels. Okay. So one more example I'll give you. Like suppose you are touching any hot pan. Okay, hot pan if you are touching, then within a second children you are removing your hand. Okay, suddenly you remove your hand. Why? Do you know why you remove your hand? Because your skin send message to the brain and brain immediately respond and tell you that you have to remove your hand, and if you are not removing your hand, then what will happen? You burn yourself. Okay, so like this way our sense organ and brain work together. Brain uses all this information and tells our body that what to do. Okay. Now come on the next, children. Next part of our body is heart. Okay. Next sense organ. Sorry. Next internal organ of our body is heart. Children, it is also very important part of our body. And in which part of our body heart is present? Tell me. Yes, very good. Heart is present inside the chest. Okay. And one more thing, children, it is present on the left side of your chest. Okay. You can put your hand on your left side of your chest, and you can feel the heartbeat. Okay. You can feel the heartbeat. Okay. And when our heart beats, they produce the sound love dove. Okay. Love dove sound they produce. A doctor uses stethoscope to listen to our heartbeat. Okay. Heart pump blood to all the parts of our body. That is the function of heart. Okay. Heart pumps blood to other parts of our body. See this, children? Hey, I am your heart. I am the size of your fist. Touch your chest and feel me. I pump the blood through your body. Running and jumping exercise keep me healthy. Okay, children? So, how you will keep your heart healthy? By doing exercise. Okay, by running and jumping. By these exercise, you can keep your heart healthy. Okay, come on the next, lungs. Okay, next internal organ is your lungs. Children, do you know where, in which part of our body lungs is present? Yes, lungs is also present. Lungs are also present in which part? Lungs is present in our chest. Okay, on both the side, right and left side. A pair of lungs is present inside the chest too. Right lungs and left lung. They are air-filled bags which help us to breathe. Okay, they help us to breathe. See the points given in the picture? We help your body to breathe. Deep breathing exercise keep me fit. We supply oxygen to all parts of your body. Children, do you know what is breathing? Or yes? Yes. Suppose when we taking air in through our nose and expelling it out through the lungs, from the lungs, that process is called breathing. Taking air in and expelling it out, that process is called breathing. Okay. And how you will take in air? Through your nose. And how you are expelling it out? From where you will expel the air? From your lungs. So this process is called breathing. Okay. And deep breathing exercise keep your lung fit. Okay. And what is the function of lungs, children? It supply oxygen. They supply oxygen to all your body parts. Okay. Now come on the next, stomach. Okay, children, this is your stomach. Hey, I am your stomach. When you chew your food well in your mouth, it's sent down to me. I digest the food and give you energy to do work. Okay, children. So this is our stomach, and stomach is present inside the belly. Okay. So children, when we eat any food from the mouth, it goes inside our stomach. Okay. When we eat food, by the help of our teeth, we chew the food, and with the help of our food pipe, the food enters in the stomach. And here in the inside the stomach, food digested and give energy to our body. Okay. This stomach, the structure of stomach is like a bag. Okay. Clear, children? So children, you just revise all the things, all these sense organs. Okay. Take care. Thank you.